I'm Shivani and I'm a 17-year-old student at Al Diafa High School. For as long as I can remember, I've always been a huge reader, but recently I decided to try my hand at writing stories and poems. These poems are ones that I wrote simply when the inspiration struck me, like a bolt of lightning. If you ever find yourself wanting to write but think you lack a source of inspiration, just look around you. The inspiration is everywhere.